Okay, painitin ng kawali. Meron tayong olive oil and butter. You can fry your chicken slightly. Up and down, okay? Slightly only. We make Indian MASBATI rice. A white rice and chicken on top. Okay? You can fry it slightly up and down. Then next, the garlic. You can fry it brown only, not very brown. Baka pumayit naman. Isunod ang ginger. The ginger is pampawalan ng langsa. The Bombay onion. You can fry it slightly until translucent, then you put the chicken. Then you can mix all together and then put the kamatis, tomato beside on your chicken. Turmeric powder, garlic powder, a cumin, black pepper, salt to taste. This is a Bayleaves. Gloves optional if you want and you have gloves. Close it until the tomato is done. This is my rice. I put in the description box the recipe. Okay, after that, you can open it and you see the tomato is well done. You can mix together with your chicken. Oh, I feel so yum for this recipe. If you like my video, please subscribe, hit the notification. Okay, put the broth cubes, hit the notification bell button para updated kayo sa aming mga video. That is lemon, half lemon. And close it until 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I prepare my chicken. I put in the oven. Ayan, prepare ko na siya. 200 degrees Celsius. Mga 30 minutes lang yon. Then, I have extra sauce. I put on the top so if the chicken will done, the taste is very good. I have black lemon. It's not a charcoal lemon. That is a dry lemon. Okay, 30 minutes I put in the oven. Oh, this is my rice. Oh, my rice is very good. Okay, my recipe of my rice is 2 cups of basmati rice or 4 cups of water. I have cloves and cardamom on it and salt to taste. Yan. Ayan na, nag-ano na ako, nag-plating na ako. Ayan. Okay, the sauce is really yummy. Thank you guys for watching. Love. Masarap ang ating ulam ngayon. God bless you all.